Hi everybody, and this is Yuki for the Yuki Game Dev channel. And today I would like to give you guys a little bit of progress for the game I'm making. But before we even do anything of that, big shout out to Ecllia on the card game MythAither community card game plugin area. For those of you who do not know, the game is being a card game thanks to MythAither. Um, but Ecilla actually helped me learn how to do this. What am I referring to? For those of you who are not aware, you can actually make your cards cost items. So, if you guys know about the plugin Yanfly skill skill cost items, here it's cards cost items because you are costing an item. So I would like to show you guys how to actually do this. So once again, shout out to Ecilla for helping me through this little thing here. And this is actually a big thing because I've been wanting to try this out. So let me show you guys how to do it. So the first thing you need is a skill card that is going to cost an item, not MP, not HP, not TP. We're looking for an item in the store like you would normally buy in the store, like a regular item. For example, as you guys know, I'm looking forward to doing a ranger class for our next progress update. So I decided to go ahead and give Harold here a quote unquote pistol. So here is how you actually do it. In the database, I have a skill called single shot, which is very simple. It's a very simple thing. One shot shooter uses one bullet. Duh. Because it's a single shot. Now, don't worry about what it does in terms of like, oh, it's going to attack an enemy. What we are looking at is how to actually implement the the actual action. So what you want to do is you have to use card passive and card action in terms of the note tag. And here's what this is doing. In our talks, we were talking about evaluations. This is my first time ever doing evaluations for a car like a thing in RPG Maker MV. My very first time ever doing evaluations. So card passive under the card passive plugin node tag here, you're looking to put in require $gameParty.hasItem and in parentheses again data items and the number in the brackets. This number is an ID number. That ID number refers to the ID of the item you are trying to play with. For example, number 57, item number 57 is a bullet. Well, obviously, because we're making a weapon that shoots out bullets, we need a bullet, aka pistol. Okay, so this is going to be a regular item. The price does not matter. You can do it for 5,000 gold or whatever. What we want is to make the item happen. Okay? So in under passive, we want to check, does the player have enough bullets to use the card? If the answer is no, then it's going to give you, well, it's not going to give you an error message. It's not going to let you use the card because the passive says, hey, you don't have enough bullets to use this card. You cannot use this card even if you have enough MP. Okay? So the next part of that is going to be the action itself. The action itself is an evaluation of it's an evaluation with an expression. The expression you are looking to type is $game party.loseItem parentheses data items and the number, the ID number, and then comma the amount of items that it require of that particular item. So for example, eval $game capital lowercase party capital P dot lose item capital I parentheses data lowercase items capital I bracket your ID number for that item closing bracket comma and the number of that item you want the party to lose as a result of using this particular card. So that is why I have 57, which is the ID number for bullet, and 1 because I want them to lose 1 because they're using 1 bullet for a single shot. Okay? And you can do this for any type of card. For example, let's say you want to go the old fashioned Magic the Gathering route and you want to have like the players use mana, but in the form of like Magic the Gathering. You can force players to buy fire mana and grass mana or forest mana, whatever mana. And then you can do the same thing, require X amount of this. This is the card version of skill this is the card version of skill cost items from Yanfly. So that is how you do it right here. This is the way you do it, folks. So again, I want to thank everybody in the Discord for the card game community, and I want to thank Ecilla for helping me with this um part here. Big shout outs. If you guys have any questions about the card game, I actually do plan to do some type of tutorial series on the channel. Once again, we'll see you guys in our actual next progress update, which is the Ranger for the demo, and we'll get more into it when we get it there. That's all for now. Thanks again. We'll see you guys in our next actual progress report here.